Welcome back, friends. I hope you all are all excited to learn how to create websites. Be it's your interest or for professional experience, or you just want to create some project for your school, colleges, universities. This is the correct video where this I must say this is the correct series where you have landed on. So in this video, as I had already discussed in my introduction video, that we will first create an hello world example. So for the people who missed out what is an hello world example, I will just spend a few seconds to explain that. Whoever person who has some technical knowledge or has someone in family or friends who are programmers, so they must have heard many times that they must be talking about hello world, hello world. What is a hello world exactly? So for programmers in programming languages, whenever we try to learn new things, everyday new technologies learned, and they programmers tend to learn these things. So the first thing what we do is to do the correct setup, because there are many dependencies for new languages that sometime you need some software, some plugin, some kind of any resource you might need on your system. So just for to run that, you simply check that you have everything installed on your system. You create a hello world example. If that runs on your system, you know that your program will run successfully. So this is the perfect example of hello world example. So as we are creating a website from HTML, just for the learning purpose, so in this first video I will use simple HTML and we will create a hello world example. So this is my computer drive. I will create simply another folder which I will say hello world. Right, so in this hello world I will go and simply create another new file. Okay, let's start it from our editor, not from here. This is the wrong habit actually. So I will drag this my hello world example in my Sublime. So here we can see hello world example, right? So every file or anything needed I will create from this Sublime only. So I will right click here, create new file, and first I will save it with index.html. Right, so just for your sake of some introduction or learning, I have opened a link of sitepoint.com, which just tells us what is the basic thing needed for our first HTML page. Basically these are simply tags. You don't need to worry about what are these things. So I'll simply copy and paste it here in our index.html. So here you see a doc type HTML. Basically first of all, this is a HTML5 blank page, because you know the current HTML version is HTML5 and this is running very successfully. So these are some mandatory tags which are exactly not mandatory to create a website, but this is some kind of criteria which we follow, this kind of some rules we follow, so that our site gets noticed and runs very beautifully in our all of the browsers. Also it helps us in Google search engine, if you have heard about it, SEO, search engine optimization. So these tags are important in there also. So these are few things. You don't need this script.js, so I will delete it. You don't need style.css, so this is the first thing which you need. This is the title which shows on your browser heading. So just suppose I will say hello world, hello world, and in my page content I'm not writing anything. I will simply write Yahoo, I am running. So I will simply save it, and as I had already told you that you need some local web server to run it, but that is required for some processing languages. As right now I am creating a simple index.html, I will go on my uh, in my index.html folder and will right click it and open it with my Chrome, and here you can see Yahoo I am running. So here you can see I am running. So this is the content you are seeing. This is what I have written here, right? Yahoo I am running, and here you're seeing here. And what about this hello world, right? This is exactly here. See, this is the title which we have written. This is the title which is being shown on the head of the browser, and this is the content which we have written in the body. So this was the first part for this tutorial, and in the next video we will create some exciting things, like we'll do some kind of modification, we'll do some styling on our HTML tags. So bye bye for now, keep tuned.